Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you clear and simple two method about how to disable window automatic update permanently. This step-by-step guide will help you fix that problem easily. Let's get started. First, go to down search bar and type here services. Click here services. Scroll and go to down and click on window update. Then right click here and go to properties. In general menu you will see here the startup type. You choose here disable and click this stop option, yes, and click apply and OK. Close this window. Next step, in the search bar type run, or you can press window plus R key for this run box. Click on run and type your regit REGDIT and click OK. You can drag this line to see these options and click this arrow of the local machine and go to software. Scroll and go to policy. In the policy options, go to Microsoft Word. In Microsoft Word, click Windows. After select Windows, right click here and click New and then click Key. Give the name exactly what I'm going to give here and type the folder name Windows Update and press enter. Again click this Windows Update. Right click here and click New and click Keys. Again make a next folder, the name AU and press enter. Again click this AU folder and right click here, go to new and choose wait architectures. If you are confused, you wait architecture. Go to this PC, right click in the blank area and click on properties. You will see here your PC architectures. It's a 64-bit operating system. So I right click here and go to new and then choose this 64-bit and type the name no auto update and press enter and double click on it. Change the value data 1 and click OK. Yes, fine. And restart your PC. Your window automatic update are now completely disabled. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment below if you want a video